Hi leaders, I want to show you how to get to an enrichment folder where there are websites that you can use for reading and games and other fun things when you're finished with your schoolwork. So in your homeroom course, you're going to see a little gray folder that looks like this. This has enrichment. When you click the folder, you'll see some links. There's 3 in there right now, and I'm going to be adding some more, so be on the lookout for more coming soon. But I wanted to, especially for you to see limitlesslibraries.org. It's my favorite because it has Bookflix and PebbleGo. So when you click the link, it'll take you to the Limitless Libraries page, and then you click Elementary School and just scroll down until you see Bookflix and PebbleGo. Bookflix, you remember, is where you can watch animated stories, and you can also read informational text. And PebbleGo is a research database, but sometimes it's really fun to just read about interesting topics and interesting people, and it might even help you with your schoolwork in the future. And you might not know this, but you can play games in PebbleGo. So all you have to do to get to the games is to select one of the different categories. And I went into the animals category, and then if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see this button where you can play games, and you can also answer the question of the day. So I hope you enjoy doing some fun enrichment activities when you are finished with your schoolwork. And if you need any help, please reach out to Miss Price. I will be happy to help you. Also, if you're ever prompted to put in a username and password for Limitless Libraries, it's your library card number and your PIN. And that information is on your login sheet that has all of your login information for school. And if you need help finding it or you lost it, please just let Miss Price know or tell your teacher, and your teacher can ask me to help, and we will get you set up. All right, I hope you enjoy. See you soon.